Hi guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. So today we are to find the area of the shaded portion in the diagram below. Okay, so as you can see, this is a rectangle within in which there is a circle, and we have some shaded portion. So we have to calculate the portion they have shaded. Okay, good. So first of all, what we need to do is to find the area of the right angle. Okay, so the area of a rectangle, so area of rectangle, you know that it's A is equal to the length times the breadth. Okay, good. And we know that in this case, our length is 12 centimeters. Then the breadth is 8 centimeters. So to find the area for the total, that is the total area of this right angle, is going to be area which is equal to 12 centimeters times 8 centimeters. And this is going to give us 12 centimeters times 8 centimeters. We are getting 96 centimeters squared. Good. Let me give you this. We are calculating the total area of this rectangle because after calculating the total area, we can calculate that of the circle so that we subtract from the rectangle so that we are going to get our answer, which is the shaded portion. Okay, let me repeat again. We are looking for the area of the rectangle first. Okay, since within the rectangle there is a circle. After getting the total area of the rectangle, then we calculate for the area of the circle. So after getting these two areas, we then subtract the area of the circle from the rectangle so that we get the shaded portion. Since where the circle is drawn, there is no shading there. Okay, good. So now let's look for the area of the circle. So area of the circle. So we have, which is A is equal to pi r squared. Okay, and in this case, our r, which is the radius, that's it from the center to the circumference. Okay, which is the radius. It was given us 4 centimeters. So, and our pi, we know pi to be 22 on 7. Okay, it's a constant. Okay, good. It was not given to us, so we can use 22 on 7. So now we can calculate our area of the circle, which is A is equal to pi times the radius squared. And the radius is what? 4 centimeters. So we have 4 centimeters squared multiplying by 22 on 7. Okay, 22 on 7. In this case, we are going to get so 22 on 7 times 4 centimeters squared, which is 4 centimeters squared times 22, which is giving us 50.3 centimeters. So let me simplify this for you so that you see how we were able to get the 50.3 centimeters squared. So we know that 4 centimeters squared is the same as 4 centimeters multiplied by 4 centimeters. Okay, times 22 on 7. Good. So 4 times 4, we are going to get 16. You see, so it's going to be 16, and centimeters times centimeters is centimeters squared times 22 on 7. And also 16 times 22, what are we getting? So 16 times 22 is 5. Let me do it here for you. So 16 times 22, we are having 352 on 7. And 352 on 7. 352 on 7, we are getting 50. So this one will be 50.28, okay, in decimal. So when you run this to 1 dp, we are getting 50.3, okay. So that's how come we had 50.3 centimeters square, okay. Good. So now we can look for our shaded portion, the area of the shaded portion. So we say that the area of the shaded portion, we say that area is equal to, so we can say that the area of rectangle, okay, minus the area of circle. Okay, so now we can say that area of the rectangle, it was 96 centimeters square, minus the area of the circle, which was 50.3 centimeters square. So 96 minus 50.3, we are getting 45.7 centimeters square. So our final answer, which is the shaded portion, is 45.7 centimeters square. Thank you. So this is the area of the shaded portion.